welcome back to another episode of JCpedia. Here, see my cap. It says JCpedia. So, we are here at the Rail Transport Museum, National Rail Museum rather, along with my brother's granddaughter. So, let me introduce you to Anamika. Hi, Anamika.
Hi,
Where are you now?
we're here at the Rail Museum.
Come
I
on.
can't wait to see what we're gonna look at. I'm so excited.
Come on, let's go inside the Rail Museum. Come. This is MTR number 2. MTR number 2, this is built by 1910. Dick Care and Company. If you remember, the MTR number 1 is stationed outside Baroda House, which you would have seen in my other vlogs and other pictures. This is MTR number 2.
So good with all those signs. Oh, look, there's a little butterfly.
Where is the butterfly?
Oh, it's flying there.
Oh, good. So,
It's amazing how they make a pattern just out of tiles.
come.
This is a Nilgiri coach. It used to run between Medupalayam and
Ooty.
Ooty in those days.
Oh, very good.
Look at how it's made of wood.
Yes, it was made of wood those days. Come, let us go to the next coach.
Hi everyone, we are here in front of this beautiful locomotive called the Rajputana Malwa Railway. You know what's distinctive about this railway? This was the very first locomotive built in India. Look how gorgeous it is.
Just look at
So, this is built in 1895 by Ajmer Workshop of Northwestern Railway. It is written here. This F1 734 class has the distinction of being the first locomotive to be built in India. It is written here. Locomotives were assembled at Jamalpur workshop from spare parts supplied by the original manufacturers. So the Stephenson valve gear and inside connecting rods. It was used on the Rajputana Malwa Railway, also known as the RMR. So later on it was transferred to BBCI, that is Bombay, Baroda and Central India Railways. This is a steam loco. Omkar, can you explain the leaf spring which is on the upper side?
Yeah, this looks like a very interesting design. When you look at it, I don't think like a regular truck or something, you will not be able to put the leaf spring,
No.
right against your axle. So what they have done is they have made like a block that is able to go up and down. And if you look closely, there is like a shaft that goes all the way to the leaf spring, and looks like there is a leaf spring set for each one of the wheels. That's
Correct.
a nice one. And the leaf spring is sort of working similar to a truck, except it's all the way up at the top.
Instead of down.
Yeah, that's an interesting design, right?
Uh-huh. And this is done, what, 130 years back?
Yeah,
Ah.
that's remarkable considering it's supporting that much of water
Uh,
and also
and in fact, this is a boiler only.
Yeah,
Uh,
it's a boiler. It's probably carrying like more than
30,000 liters of water.
and imagine the weight of that combined with the weight of the steel and everything.
BB and CI Railways built at Central Workshop, Ajmer, 1924. This is an electric loco of the meter gauge era of South Indian Railway, that is Chennai Egmore Tambram leg. with a double panto.
Get in. Sorry, everyone will think it's a Sir, smile.
Daughter flower. Even the wheel is taller than that little girl. Yes, Anamika?
Yeah.
Because she's tiny.
Uh,
Mommy, Namita.
Indian Peninsular Railway. Electric. Ama. This is VAM 1, I think. I don't know whether they named it those days or not. Two 0710 Bidan. VAG 1. Here is the sheep train, the train in which the sheep are loaded. To load 176 sheep in this train.
ரெண்டு ட்ராக்
Anamika, you tell me, where are you now?
We are in the joy train
And you are sitting with whom?
with my tata.
And what is, see how, whether you are enjoying or Tata is enjoying.
I think I'm enjoying more than tata.
Very good. You are enjoying more than Tata. Very good. Very nice. North Western Railway. This is VAG 1. This is Bezawada is BZ is Vijayawada. Bidan. Tunnel. Baby train track. Yeah. Model train track is there. That there you see that bridge, Howrah Bridge and all. Chennai Central. There is Howrah Bridge. BBC. No ticket.
That was amazing.
This is a Miraj station clockmaker, Benson, London, 1926, and it is not showing the right time. Memento from the royal family of Jodhpur to the Minister of Indian Railways. Mahatma Gandhi Asti coach. Mahatma Gandhi's Asti was carried in this coach across India to put it in all the rivers of India. This is the model of the Chenab Bridge.
Video from first. Okay, what you see here right in front of us is the electrical control panel board, which shows the position of the trains right across a wide section, starting from Egmore or Beach all the way till Tamra and beyond till Chengalpet, right? So a guard sitting at the Tamra station is able to control the signals from one location, right? And the way the levers work is also nice. In order to prevent accidental flipping of those levers, they have like a what do you call it as a lock
Locking.
system. You'll have to press it and then push it. This one is not working, but hopefully one of these works. Yeah, here. So you press it, it lifts the lever up and then you lock it. And it doesn't move any further. Right? You open it and now it is green all the way.
Oh my gosh! This was the best rail museum I've ever seen. Or rather, the only rail museum I've ever seen. But it was better than any other random museum. I think that next time we go to a museum, it should always be rail museums. I hope you liked it too.
Yes, I really like this, and of course, your grandfather and parents would have also liked it.
Yeah.
It was a fun experience
It was so
on
much
a
fun.
bright sunny day.
Yes. So, thank you very much.